friends, welcome to our channel. Kenny, you can be. Now we are going to know how to compile the C program in a GCC compiler. At first, open the notepad and write the required program in a C language in this notepad, because GCC compiler it's only a compiler package in a MinGW. We didn't find any platform to write a program in a GCC compiler. So we are writing the program in a notepad, and through the command prompt we are going to compile and run it by using the GCC compiler. Okay, and write the required program here, get into the file and option save as, select the option here all files, and then give any name, required name to you here. And here I'm going to give the name as abcd.c. okay, abcd.c. And while you are saving the program, you have to save the program with the .c extension, because this is a C program, right? So save the program with the .c extension, it's a mandatory, and then save the program. Now again open the file where your file gets saved. Okay, select the option all files. Yeah, we can see that abcd.c. This is the required file of us, which we just saved now in this file. And if you click here, you can find the path where our file gets saved. Okay, Control C. By giving the Control C, you can copy the path of that file. Now open the command prompt. Search it in Windows. You can find that command prompt. Okay, open that one and give the cd space and the path which we already copied here by clicking Ctrl V. Already we copied this path before, right? Yeah, that is the path, and then give enter. Now we are going to compile the program, right? So give the name as a GCC. We are going to compile through GCC compiler, so GCC space and the name of your file what already you saved, abcd.c. This is the name which I have given before, right? I saved the program with abcd.c here. See, abcd.c, that's why the name of that file which I am going to compile. Yeah, abcd.c, and then give enter. If there is any error, it will show as an error. If not, it won't show any error to us, and then give enter. Yeah, our program gets successfully compiled here. Let us see. You can find an option called as a right? This is our run file. A file is our run file. Now we can run the program by giving a.exe and then enter. Yeah, you can see that hello/n process to compile in a GCC. This is the statement I have given there. Let us see what statement I have given in that. See, hi, and then this is the thing I have given. Okay, now let us see how to save your program. Means after compiling the program, we have seen that file as a.exe file, right? Now let us see after compilation to create the file .exe file as your wish. Okay, for that get into the command prompt and then give cd space Ctrl V. Okay, and then enter, and the name of your file GCC space abcd.c. okay, and then space, you have to give the command here -wall space -o. This is the one you have to give, means to give the name of that a.exe file. As now what the file I have to give, abcd, let us think like so, with the same exe file I am going to create, so abcd, and then give enter, so that your a.exe file will be created. Yeah, let us see, file and open all files. See here abcd, you find that abcd.exe file. Okay, and then if suppose you give the enter, then your program will get executed abcd.exe, because Now your file gets saved with ABCD extension, right? That's why. And then give enter. Your program gets successfully executed. Hi /n process to compile in a GCC compiler /n. Yeah, that's it. This is the process how to compile the program in a GCC compiler. Thank you, friends.